Disintegration is a sci-fi first-person shooter combining FPS and real-time strategy elements. You play as an integrated pilot, flying a grav cycle while you command your troops on the ground as you fight to preserve your humanity, through a single-player campaign and in frenetic PvP multiplayer.
As a small independent studio, we strive to find ways to streamline our content creation while maintaining the highest quality standard. A big part of this has been integrating InstaLOD into our workflow. While we were evaluating LOD toolsets, InstaLOD stood at the top and did an especially good job with hard surface models, which was a high priority between our game's robotic characters and the organic and urban environments.
Using InstaLOD, we've been able to turn days of work into a single button press and a few minutes of polish. This kind of savings is vital for our small studio. It allows us to focus on iteration, knowing that any content changes can be quickly and easily reflected in our LODs. With InstaLOD's Max and Maya integration, we've been able to fully automate the majority of our character LODs. All we do is pass in the full resolution mesh, click the button, and let InstaLOD handle the rest.
While we were evaluating InstaLOD, we were excited about the potential of its remeshing toolset. When it came time for us to create dangling weapon attachments, we went right to the InstaLOD Unreal plugin. Most of our game assets are textured with a material-based approach, meaning we don't have a one-to-one diffuse texture for most assets. If we were to manually combine the materials that make up our assets into a single texture sheet, we were looking at potentially days of work per asset. Thankfully, InstaLOD's remeshing tools in Unreal are capable of taking even our most complex assets, baking all that textural information into a single set of texture images, while at the same time combining and reducing the model, turning those days into minutes per asset. With InstaLOD, our artists can focus on their work, knowing that the tools have got their backs. It's been an integral part of our development, and we believe that there are even more time-saving tasks that we haven't been able to explore yet. We're excited to find new ways to leverage its power and continue to expand our workflow.